What in the hot Alabama fuck is going on here? I got a smaller profile. I could do this. Nobody's fucking directing shit around here. Well, I haven't know how to do this anymore. I don't have a motorcycle. I bet I can handle that construction job a little better than that, though. Fine, let's park a bunch of trucks on a one-way road and just have them all fucking sit here. No flag guys, nothing. Hey, what's the worst that could happen? Someone could die. This road sucks, like even in my truck. Motorcycles just do it better. They do it better. Got a shit road? It's alright, I got a motorcycle. I'll work it out. Now, if you have a hardtail, well, then you do it with Dan. Anyways, what are we doing out here today? I know, right? Riding a f***ing motorcycle. Where have I been? I got a lot of big poops going on in my life. Let's leave it YouTube friendly there. It's been cocking up my my rate at making videos, cocking up my rate at getting the XR done. Moved into a new house. One of those weird situations where the rent just kept going so f***ing high. My month-to-month payment would be cheaper to build a new house. A new one. It was so insanely stressful. I got a long video on the Patreon thing just talking about how absurd it was. There was some shenanigans. A lot of it has to do with, you do what for a living now? Like, you figure there's going to be like a little more scrutiny when it actually comes time to close. But that was just the whole thing. And then we've been moving for like the last like 2 weeks, you know. I got a 6th gear on this thing. Look at that. Yeah, but I like this better. Some more. The bigger news, I should say, the thing that's going to change everything is and the reason the move was harder is because my wife is preggers, man. She's all preggers. I did it with my penis. I don't know the sex yet. My mother knows. Just moved into a house, have to unpack it. I got a kid coming relatively, soon. It'll be here before you know it. I think I'll get my nuts snipped after this one. To be 34 next week. Look at me, dude. I'm wearing an Icon jacket, right? I hate them, don't I? Mediocre. that seems sketchy, right? Garage is also just full of things. Like I gotta, like straight up, it's probably gonna be a little minute before I get back on the XR. I mean, I don't want it to be. I want to ride it right now. I want to be doing dang wheelies on my bike, and it's gonna be great. I know where these guys are going. They're coming from the hotel. That's the hotel everyone's staying at right there. Gotta make the noise. Hey! What's up, dude?
More people showing up. I just did like Tori had some kind of like vlog, or what is it, live? What's this thing called? Gears and Bull or something? I was on his podcast. He's doing his podcast inside the building. That's pretty cool. Let's show his face on camera. So they're shutting us down, guys. Yeah, apparently some quads showed up. Yeah, that keeps happening. Look at this spread of Warp 9 wheels here. This combo is very nice.
All right, maybe I'm being I don't want to be up in the ride right now, but I will go down there, chill with everybody, and I want to film them all coming in. Oh, they're already going. That's all right, I can get up there. Just told you I got another kid coming. I can't fuck around with this ride. since the last ride and Derek got hurt, that was just like, that was like the straw that broke the camel's back, where I'm like, dude, these big rides, they're just so they're getting so hooligan. There's so many people, there's so much what ifs, and I don't know, man. It just keeps going, and it snowballs, and I knew that when we first started doing these things that there was a good chance that one day they were just gonna get too crazy. And so at the same time that happens, like, I get older and I'm a father with kids, eventually it's gonna be like, well, Jake, like, what's the game plan? I just don't want to mess with that anymore. Tears in the bucket. Come on, Jake.
I'm only laughing because I know it doesn't. There it is. Oh man, well look, we like each other so much. Better way to enjoy the meat, I think. We have air conditioning.
Son.
You should charge tickets for this.
Beat his ass.
No, man, no. You gonna post a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Can I be on it?
Nope, not because you said that. No. Holy shit. That was a good little meetup. Apparently there was some carnage. Seems like the right decision to make, the one that I made. Because I'm smart.